Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing online skill you can learn with just a smartphone and just your time. No laptop needed. You don't need any experience to learn this. First is Canva design. You can use Canva to make flyers, posters, thumbnails, story cover, logos, and everything. It's beginner friendly, perfect for anyone who love creating beautiful design. So the second on my list is video editing. Video editing with CapCut. You can edit TikTok, Reels, YouTube Shorts, and even full video right on your phone. It is one of the easiest and most useful skill to learn with just your smartphone. Okay, the third on my list is content writing. If you love expressing yourself, you love writing, you can write captions, short posts, story ideas, or even practice creative writings, scripts, any form of writing, all from your phone's notes app. It is one of the best skill that you can learn with just your phone and your time. Ultimately, is using of AI tools such as ChatGPT, Ideogram, and many other AI tools that you can actually use to perform, to stay well organized, to create content, to write better, to learn faster. Knowing how to use AI is becoming a very important soft skill nowadays, and it's also one of the easiest skill that you can learn with just your smartphone, so at the comfort of your home. So the fifth on my list is basic graphic creation skill is also one of the basic skill you can learn with just your phone. With basic graphic creation skill, you can learn how you can actually create simple templates, wallpaper, digital notes, mockup. You can create all of this easily on your phone.
Basic graphic design is one of the skills that you can actually acquire easily learning with just your phone at home. This is exactly how a mock-up looks like. For instance, now you want to make a design on a mug, on a shirt, on a bag, or anything that you want to do. You can easily learn from your smartphone at the comfort of your home. You don't have to even pay for anything before you learn it. You can actually learn it watching video on YouTube, and practice makes perfection, remember.
And the best part, you can learn all these skills for free with just your phone. Comment below which one you want a full tutorial on next. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Love you.